Welcome to this enlightening session on the incredible benefits of protein shakes. Whether you are an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or simply looking to improve your overall health, protein shakes can be a game changer. In this session, we will delve into the numerous advantages of incorporating protein shakes into your diet. Get ready to discover how this convenient and delicious beverage can support your fitness goals and enhance your well-being. But first, let's understand what protein shakes are and why they are so popular. Protein shakes are beverages made by mixing protein powder with water, milk, or other liquid bases. They provide a concentrated dose of protein, which is essential for various bodily functions, especially muscle repair and growth. Benefit number 1. Support muscle recovery and growth. One of the primary benefits of protein shakes is their ability to support muscle recovery and growth. After intense exercise, our muscles undergo microscopic damage. Consuming a protein shake post-workout provides the necessary amino acids to repair and rebuild these muscles. The high-quality protein in shakes gets absorbed quickly, ensuring that your muscles receive the nutrients they need for optimal recovery and growth. Additionally, protein shakes can be consumed throughout the day to meet your protein requirements. Whether you are trying to gain muscle mass or simply maintain your current physique, ensuring an adequate protein intake is crucial. Protein shakes offer a convenient and easily digestible way to reach your protein goals, especially when whole food sources are not readily available or practical. Benefit number 2. Convenient and time-saving. In today's fast-paced world, convenience plays a significant role in our daily choices. Protein shakes shine in this aspect as they offer a quick and convenient way to fuel your body with essential nutrients. With busy schedules, it's not always feasible to prepare and eat a protein-rich meal. Protein shakes provide an on-the-go option that can be prepared within minutes, allowing you to meet your nutritional needs even when the time is limited. Whether you are a busy professional, a student juggling multiple responsibilities, or someone always on the move, protein shakes offer a practical solution to maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Simply blend your favorite protein powder with water or your preferred liquid, and you have a portable, nutrient-dense meal replacement or snack option. Benefit number 3. Weight management. Protein shakes can also be beneficial for weight management. High-protein diets have been shown to promote feelings of fullness and satiety, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. By incorporating protein shakes into your diet, you can control hunger cravings, prevent overeating, and support your weight loss or weight maintenance goals. However, it's important to note that protein shakes should not replace whole food sources entirely. They should be used as a supplement to a well-rounded diet that includes lean meats, fish, dairy products, legumes, and other protein-rich foods. Whole foods provide a wide array of essential nutrients that cannot be replicated by protein shakes alone. Benefit number 4. Versatility and customization. Another advantage of protein shakes is their versatility and customizability. Protein powders come in various flavors, including chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and more, allowing you to enjoy a tasty and satisfying beverage. You can also add other ingredients like fruits, vegetables, nuts, or seeds to create your unique blend. This customization not only enhances the taste, but also adds additional nutrients and antioxidants to your protein shake. Whether you prefer a simple protein shake or want to experiment with different flavors and ingredients, the options are endless. Blend in some frozen berries for added antioxidants and a burst of flavor. Add a handful of spinach or kale for a nutrient boost. Incorporate a tablespoon of nut butter for some healthy fats and creamy texture. The choice is yours, and you can tailor your protein shake to suit your taste preferences and nutritional needs. Benefit number 5. Nutritional support. Protein shakes offer more than just protein. Many brands enrich their powders with essential vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial nutrients. This means that by consuming a protein shake, you are not only fueling your body with protein, but also providing it with a range of other essential elements for overall health and well-being. Additionally, protein shakes can be a valuable tool for individuals who have specific dietary needs or restrictions. For example, vegans or those with lactose intolerance can opt for plant-based protein powders, ensuring they meet their protein requirements without compromising their dietary choices or digestive comfort. Benefit number 6. Enhanced exercise performance. Benefit number 6. Enhanced exercise performance. Protein shakes can also contribute to improved exercise performance. When consumed before a workout, they can provide a readily available source of amino acids to fuel your muscles, boost energy levels, and enhance endurance. This can translate into better performance during training sessions, allowing you to push harder and achieve greater results. By supporting your body with the right nutrients before and after exercise, protein shakes can help you recover faster, reduce muscle soreness, and improve overall athletic performance. This can be especially beneficial for athletes and individuals engaged in intense physical activities. Benefit number 7. Bone health and aging. Protein plays a crucial role in maintaining and promoting bone health. As we age, the risk of osteoporosis and fractures increases. By incorporating protein shakes into your diet, you can provide your body with the necessary amino acids to support bone density and strength. This is particularly important for older adults who may have difficulty meeting their protein needs through whole food sources alone. Furthermore, protein intake becomes even more critical as we age, as older adults tend to experience muscle loss and reduced protein synthesis. Protein shakes can help mitigate these age-related muscle changes, preserving lean muscle mass and promoting healthy aging. There you have it, an in-depth exploration of the remarkable benefits of protein shakes. From supporting muscle growth and recovery to providing convenience, versatility, and nutritional support, protein shakes have earned their place as a valuable tool in achieving optimal health and fitness. Remember, while protein shakes can be a convenient addition to your diet, they should complement a well-balanced eating plan that includes a variety of whole foods. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine the right protein intake for your specific needs and goals.